Hey everybody, let's say you get a computer in for service from somebody and they fail to remove the password for you. This is a very huge inconvenience for the technician. When he starts up the PC and gets this, he gets greeted with this password. Like we're supposed to just guess the password right offhand. I mean, it's very inconvenient. So there is a solution to the problem. It's called the Hiren's Boot CD. And you can download it for free, the ISO for free off the internet, and burn the ISO to a CD. And it's a bootable ISO. So I'm going to demonstrate how to remove a set password, a Windows password, on a system like this. This can also be useful if you have a computer that you lost a password to and didn't have a reset disk created. So I'll go ahead and restart, and this computer is in very bad condition. You're not even seeing the worst of it. That was in the past. I had to do a full LCD screen replacement on this thing, and I would have created a video, but I made a mistake of buying a LED backlit display when this thing had a CCFL. So I was able to use the LED display by ordering the LED version screen cable. Now I just got the screen installed. I also had to get a power adapter. This thing didn't have a power adapter with it, and when I went to the owner, they was clueless where it was at. I mean, it's kind of like taking your car to a mechanic to drive to find something wrong, but leaving the gas tank sitting on empty. This thing was completely dead. But anyways, this thing is still shutting down. Okay, we're finally starting up. Gotta press F2 to go to the SEP utility to make sure this thing is set to boot off a CD. And it wasn't. On many systems you can press F12 to get to the boot menu. Now the CD drive is first and the hard drive is second. Thing currently has a Seagate 250 gig hard drive in it. I think that hard drive is damaged. It sounds like it is, but it's still working. So I'm going to demonstrate how to clear a password. I'm going to try, if that's the case, I'm going to try to get the person's stuff backed up. The CD is going to load. And it has the option to boot from the hard drive, so you can easily hit enter to go back to the operating system. To clear the password, we'll select offline nt/2000/xp/vista/7 password changer. And I'm sure there's a possibility the newer Hiren's boot disk out there support Windows 8. So go ahead and select enter. Press enter to boot. This is Linux. Or at least this software is coded off of Linux. Already there, so we're going to select one, which has already got one selected, so let's press enter. It mounts to the hard drive. Select path and registry files. There we go. It's still taking a lot longer than usual. Now it actually has found the default config directory. Let's press enter. I was pressing enter. So anyways, now I'll go ahead and press 1 for password reset, and it already has one selected, so just press enter. We're going to press enter again for edit user data and password. Already has a 1 inserted, so press enter. And we gotta find the actual user account, which I believe it is this hyphen. It's kind of strange. It's like a backwards hyphen. The key for it was up here. It's very strange. Press 1 to clear blank the user password on this account. Normally, actually had Q set as the default option, so you had to actually press 1 this time. Password is cleared. You press the exclamation mark to quit. So hold your shift key down, press the 1 key for exclamation mark. Press enter. Press Q and then press enter. It'll ask you to save. Press Y to write files back to the drive and press enter. It is complete. Press enter for no new run. It has an N there for no. Go ahead and remove the disk. Just set it to the side. And we'll go ahead and press Control-Delete to restart the computer. Computer's now restarting. And now the password's cleared. And before I conclude this video, I want to go ahead and mention that usually when you go into this utility, it would have the username displayed for the account name, but I believe since this is the original Toshiba Windows 7 install, it just has like a backwards hyphen there, which is changed when the person assigns the user account to the computer. I'm not really sure. Either that or whoever originally had this thing just put a hyphen there for their username. Because once you first assign a username to a Windows like this, it always will stay with the default name. Even if you change the name, I've found this to happen a lot of times. So anyways, I'm going to start working on this really slow computer, feel what's wrong with it. So anyways, had any questions or comments, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.